Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You must start by securing a solid base and immediate frames. Lower your hips and widen your stance to reduce lift. This makes it harder for the attacker to finish. Place forearms on their shoulders or hips and keep elbows tight to create defensive space. As soon as you feel the lead leg shoot, sprawl your hips down and back hard to flatten them. Once done, keep chest pressure and push their head down. Make sure to transition quickly to the next control step. After the initial sprawl, focus on controlling hips and the head to prevent recovery. Pin one hip with your thigh or knee to block their forward momentum while you press your chest onto their back. Reach for a collar tie or grab a wrist to control head position. When you control the head, you control the body. Cross face with your shoulder to turn them away and step to an angle to clear their legs. Once their base is disrupted, you can work to stand or take a dominant position. Finish by either returning to your feet or transitioning to side control with heavy hip pressure to secure the position. If their legs remain partially trapped, roll toward the trapped side and use controlled peeling of grips and hooks to free your limbs before standing. If you choose to stand, post on hands, keep weight low, and clear legs one at a time. Troubleshoot. If they repenetrate, sprawl again without hesitation and re-establish a head control. That immediate resprawl kills their continuity and resets your defense.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.